Looking for a reliable travel companion that makes every journey smooth and stress-free? Top 5 Best Wheeled Luggage combines durability, smart storage, and effortless rolling to keep your trips comfortable, organized, and stylish, whether you're traveling for business or adventure. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Amazon Basics Wheeled Luggage. Amazon Basics Wheeled Luggage is a solid choice for travelers who want a spacious, durable, and easy-to-handle suitcase without paying a premium price. Designed for long vacations of around 2 to 3 weeks, this large hardshell luggage offers generous internal space, making it ideal for international trips, family vacations, or extended business travel. The extra-thick hardshell construction immediately stands out, as it provides strong protection against impacts, drops, and rough baggage handling. Its scratch-resistant finish helps maintain a clean, polished look even after multiple trips through busy airports. One of the most practical features is the expandable design, which allows you to increase packing capacity by up to 15%. This is extremely useful for travelers who tend to bring back souvenirs or extra clothing on their return journey. Inside, the luggage is thoughtfully organized with an interior divider and 3 zippered pockets that help keep clothes, accessories, and essentials neatly separated. This reduces clutter and makes unpacking much easier. Mobility is another strong point, thanks to the 4 multi-directional spinner wheels that glide smoothly in any direction. Combined with a sturdy telescoping handle and a short lift handle, navigating crowded terminals, elevators, and hotel lobbies feels effortless. Overall, Amazon Basics Wheeled Luggage delivers excellent value by combining durability, smart organization, and smooth maneuverability, making it a reliable travel companion for frequent and occasional travelers alike. Number 2. SwissGear Wheeled Luggage. SwissGear Wheeled Luggage is built with the needs of long-trip travelers in mind, offering a perfect balance between durability, organization, and ease of movement. This soft-sided checked bag is especially well-suited for crowded airports, where flexibility and maneuverability matter most. Its expandable design provides extra packing space when needed, making it a practical option for travelers who like to pack efficiently while still having room for last-minute additions. The 4 360-degree multi-directional spinner wheels are a standout feature, allowing smooth and controlled movement in all directions. Whether you are navigating narrow aisles, tight corners, or busy terminals, this suitcase responds effortlessly. SwissGear has also paid close attention to comfort, equipping the luggage with top, side, and bottom handles that make lifting and carrying much easier. The durable, scuff-resistant polyester fabric ensures the bag can withstand frequent use while maintaining its appearance. Inside, the fully lined interior is designed for effortless organization, featuring adjustable tie-down straps that keep garments secure and reduce shifting during transit. This helps minimize wrinkles and keeps your belongings in place throughout the journey. One of the biggest advantages of this luggage is the peace of mind offered by its 10-year warranty. SwissGear rigorously tests its products, and the long warranty coverage reflects the brand's confidence in its quality and craftsmanship. Overall, SwissGear Wheeled Luggage is an excellent investment for travelers seeking reliability, smart organization, and long-term durability for extended trips. Number 3. Wrangler Wheeled Luggage. Wrangler Wheeled Luggage is designed for modern travelers who value smooth mobility, organized packing, and lightweight durability. One of its most appealing features is the 360-degree spinner wheel system, which allows effortless movement in any direction. This design significantly reduces strain on your wrists and arms, making it comfortable to navigate through busy airports, train stations, or hotel corridors. The fully lined interior is thoughtfully arranged with a dividing zipper and compression straps, helping travelers keep their belongings neatly organized and secure. This setup is especially useful for separating clothing, shoes, and accessories, ensuring everything stays in place throughout the journey. Easy lifting is another advantage, thanks to the convenient top carry handle that makes it simple to pick up the suitcase when needed. Constructed from durable hard-shell ABS material, this luggage provides strong protection against impacts while remaining lightweight enough to meet airline requirements.
The balance between strength and weight makes it suitable for both short and medium-length trips. A major benefit for frequent flyers is its airline-compliant design, as it meets most carry-on size standards, including those of budget airlines like Spirit. This helps travelers avoid unnecessary fees and enjoy a hassle-free boarding experience. Overall, Wrangler wheeled luggage combines practicality, durability, and ease of use, making it a reliable choice for travelers who want dependable performance without unnecessary complexity.
Number 4. Amazon Basics 35-inch wheeled luggage. Amazon Basics 35-inch wheeled luggage is an excellent option for travelers who need maximum storage capacity for long trips or heavy packing requirements. Designed as a large wheeled duffel bag, it offers impressive space while maintaining a practical and straightforward design. The durable construction, crafted from 100% polyester, ensures the bag can withstand the rigors of frequent travel, whether it is being checked at the airport or transported across rough surfaces. Mobility is made simple with the telescopic handle and inline wheels, which provide smooth navigation through busy terminals, sidewalks, and hotel entrances. Unlike traditional suitcases, this wheeled duffel combines flexibility with structure, making it easier to fit into vehicles or storage areas. Organization is another strong point, as the bag features multiple zippered compartments that help keep travel essentials secure and easily accessible. This makes packing and unpacking more efficient, especially for travelers carrying a variety of items. The stylish black design adds a clean, professional look that suits both leisure and business travel. Measuring 35 inches, this luggage is ideal for extended vacations, group travel, or situations where extra capacity is essential. Overall, Amazon Basics 35-inch wheeled luggage delivers excellent functionality, durability, and value, making it a dependable choice for travelers who prioritize space and practicality. Number 5. SwissGear wheeled luggage. SwissGear wheeled luggage is a practical and user-friendly option for travelers seeking convenience, durability, and easy access to their belongings. Made from durable polyester material with mesh lining, this luggage offers enhanced breathability and long-lasting performance, even with frequent use. The secure zipper closure, combined with a U-shaped zipper design, allows quick and easy access to the main compartment, which is especially helpful during security checks or while organizing items on the go. Inside, the two spacious main compartments provide ample room for clothing, shoes, and travel essentials, making it suitable for both short and extended trips. The inline skate wheels glide smoothly across various surfaces, ensuring stable and effortless movement through airports and other travel environments. Maneuvering the luggage is comfortable thanks to the telescoping handle, while the top and bottom handles offer additional carrying options when lifting is required. Exterior pockets are a thoughtful addition, keeping important items like documents, chargers, or toiletries within easy reach. Overall, SwissGear wheeled luggage stands out for its practical design, smooth mobility, and efficient organization, making it a reliable companion for travelers who value convenience and functionality. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.